Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the beat file and getting Garageband ready. You need a properly licensed YouTube beat. Once you confirm usage rights, download the file and place it in an easy folder. Open Garageband, create a new project, and set the project tempo to match the beat. Make sure cycle mode is off initially. Next, choose an empty audio or software instrument track so you can import audio. This first step moves you from setup to action immediately and prevents tempo mismatch later. Now import the beat by dragging the file into GarageBand's timeline on a new audio track. You should visually align the waves transient at bar 1, zoom in and use snap to grid and the ruler. If the beat's tempo doesn't match your project, change the project tempo or enable flex time to nudge the audio without artifacts. Once aligned, set the cycle region to loop the section you'll work on. Make sure to name the track, and lock it if you want to avoid accidental edits later. Finish by arranging and mixing around the imported beat. You add instruments and vocals on separate tracks, apply EQ and a gentle low cut to avoid mud, and use compression to control dynamics, automate volume or panning to create movement. Once balanced, set a master level and listen through headphones and monitors. Export using Share, then export song to disk, choose WAV or high bitrate MP3, and normalize if required. If sync or timing issues persist, recheck tempo matching and reapply flex time as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.